Hello, students. I am Ananya. I welcome you all to Sai Educational Hub. Today, we'll discuss a fiction for Class 10 students, A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot from Footprints Without Feet book. I'll give a detailed summary of the fiction with the word meanings. But before that, I would request you all to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and also to like, share and comment on the video. You can also watch the other videos on the chapters of class 10. Link is given in the description box below. So let's start with the story A Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot. Now, James Herriot was a British story writer who was also a veterinary surgeon. All his stories actually dealt with his various life experiences and particularly his dealing with the animals. Now let's start with the story A Triumph of Surgery. This story is about Tricky. You may be thinking that who's Tricky? Well, you'll be surprised to know that the protagonist of this story, Tricky, is a dog who is the pet of a rich lady named Mrs. Pumphrey. She loves her dog very much and she was unable to refuse him anything he wanted. Let me tell you about Tricky now. Tricky is a very greedy dog who is fond of eating cream cakes and chocolates and could eat at any time of the day. He did not know how to say no to food even when his stomach was full. And Mrs. Pumphrey was a rich lady. She had a lot of money to spend on her dog. Tricky had a wardrobe full of tweed coats and also a raincoat for the rainy days. He also had day bed, night bed, cushions, toys, rubber rings, and along with these, he also had breakfast bowl, lunch bowl, supper bowl. One day, when Mrs. Pumphrey was out with Tricky for a walk, the narrator, that is Mr. James Herriot, sees them and he stops his car to talk. He was shocked to see that the dog looked like a bloated sausage with a leg at each end. He advised Mrs. Pumphrey to stop giving him unhealthy things to eat. But Mrs. Pumphrey is not able to refuse him. Soon, the little dog, Tricky, falls sick and was not eating anything, not even his favorite dishes, and was vomiting frequently. He didn't even want to do anything and was lying quietly on the rug. And then Mrs. Pumphrey called on Dr. Herriot. Now, being a veterinary doctor, the narrator knew that the only way to get Tricky well was to get him out of the house for a few days. He then suggested to Mrs. Pumphrey that it would be good to get Tricky hospitalized and to keep him under observation for a fortnight or 14 days. The narrator, Mr. Herriot, then somehow takes Tricky, the dog, to the hospital, even though he knows that Mrs. Pumphrey is not ready to leave her dog and nearly fainted just by hearing these words. Then he takes the dog along and puts a bed for him in his surgery just beside the other dog's bed. The dog doesn't move much nor did he eat anything for the first 2 days. He was only kept on water. On the second day, he started taking some interest in his surroundings. On the third day, he began to whimper when he hears the dogs in the yard. He started playing with the other dogs when he was taken out, and he was also given a separate bowl on the third day. Then his condition started improving very fast. He started fighting for his meals with other dogs from the fourth day. Now, as the doctor told Mrs. Pumphrey that Tricky was convalescing. Convalescing means he was recovering very fast. This word convalescing played a miracle role on Mrs. Pumphrey. After this, she started sending 2 dozen eggs every day for Tricky. This was not given to Tricky. Rather, Mr. Harriet and his partners would have 2 eggs each for breakfast. Then, to improve the quality of blood, Mrs. Pumphrey started sending in bottles of wine. Then it became Mr. Harriet's habit to have 2 glasses of wine before lunch and a few along with it. Then she started sending in bottles of brandy for Tricky. That was the time when Mr. Harriet thought that he would really like to keep Tricky as a permanent guest in the surgery. Mr. Harriet used to be really happy someday by having 2 extra eggs every morning, then having few glasses of wine in the afternoon, and closing the day by having brandy at night. But then he took a wise decision and called up Mrs. Pumphrey, as she was really worried, and on this side Tricky was ready to be taken back home. Tricky was really happy to see his mistress and jumped into the car. Mrs. Pumphrey said that she won't be able to ever thank him for what he had done, and also that his surgery had been successful, as Tricky was now cured. So with this, we have come to an end to the detailed summary of the story, A Triumph of Surgery. Now, I'll give you the word meanings. These are displayed on the screen. Please jot them down. Thank you.